kitchen, guys. I know it's been a minute. A lot of you guys probably didn't notice I was missing, but I am back in my new kitchen. I told you guys I was moving. Finally, I'm not fully settled, but you'll be seeing lots more recipes, so stay tuned. Be sure you subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking and turn on the post notification bell because I will be uploading a lot. So be sure you don't miss out on my recipes. Today, I am making beef short ribs. This recipe is absolutely delicious, and we're going to top it off with a little bit of red wine vinegar. I know, stay tuned. You will love this recipe because it's really easy. It looks fancy, but it's not difficult, okay? So stay tuned to see it. Be sure to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin, I am going to start by making my dry rub seasoning. I usually use fresh ground black pepper. Next, I am going to add my garlic powder. Also, we'll be adding some seasoning salt with a little bit of thyme. You can also add some onion powder, but I didn't have any. Now I'm adding some paprika as well. Give that a quick mix, and we're going to add it to our beef. Now my beef, I clean them with vinegar and lime and rinse it off. Now what I usually do is add a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil and rub it all over the meat because I do want my seasoning to stick to the beef, okay? That way it will help it stick onto the beef, okay? Now guys, I want you guys to leave me a comment down below. What do you guys want to see? Okay, leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to see because I need ideas. I would love to see what you guys are going to write down there. So leave your comment what videos you want to see. Okay, now I am going to add the remaining seasoning all over the beef. Then we're moving on to the next step. Now I went back and add a little bit more thyme because I just love the flavor on beef especially. Now I am adding some Dijon mustard. The Dijon mustard, trust me, will make this beef taste so juicy. Try it. Let me know how you guys like it, okay? So if you don't like mustard, that's okay, but I added some Dijon mustard on there. Oh my gosh, it was delicious. Okay, so I am going to add it on both sides, of course, and then we're moving on to the next step. Now I am moving my beef to a different baking dish. I always add a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick on there. Just add a little bit of oil, then place my beef on there just like so. You can make this recipe with pork as well, but now I am going to add some carrots and as well as some celery with a little bit of red onions. Now I am going to add my red wine vinegar. Now I did went back and add half a cup of the red wine vinegar. Sorry I didn't show you guys. Now I am going to bake it on 400 for about 40 minutes or until your beef is nice and tender. You don't want to overcook it to a point where it's chewy or it's just dry. So make sure you cook it to your liking basically. And that is the recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, let me know down below. I would love to know. And don't forget to subscribe if you're watching me for the first time. Also turn on the bell so you don't miss out on my recipes. And I will see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye. Yum.